African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Yetfield, Harare. We invite you in the name of Jesus Christ, who commissioned his servant Enespo Mwanza of Africa, to the African Apostolic Church Vow and Free State Gathering, to be held on Saturday, 19th of June 2021, from 10:30 to 3 p.m. at Windsor Park, Tilela, next to Miami Sind, Sharpview. The sick are healed and people are taken out of all troubles. Mark 16, verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact the Provincial Secretary, Evangelist Chibidi, on 084-046-7475. Reverend Takabingofa on 0612-599-245. Reverend Kufakwashino on 084-343-7457. Bishop Idera on 0611-440751.